everyone. Thank you for joining us here at the 2024 Florida RV SuperShow. Today we are here checking out a new floor plan from Keystone RV. We're here with Nick and he's going to show us around this RV.
Hi everybody, Nick Ever here, Keystone RV. I'm with the Sprinter division. As you're going to see, we're staying outside a Sprinter. This is our 3810 QBS. Brand new floor plan just came out at Hershey in September. So this is going to be the first time it's been debuted down here in Florida. So here you go. We're going to check it out. One thing you're going to notice, we got Sprinter wide body. All Sprinters are going to be wide body, meaning 100-inch wide construction. Most fifth wheels are 96, so it's going to give you a little exercise. So four more inches inside that coach, livable space, about 8%. Extra depth on the countertops and your cabinets. Let's go through the exterior of the coach first, and then we'll kind of hop inside, look at everything, and then we'll show you the true money maker in this 3810 and why it's so popular. First, we're going to start here in our front of our unit. You're going to notice, and this again, this is exclusive of all Keystone units, you're going to have a fiberglass painted cap. This is automotive paint. You're going to notice what we call our hitch vision. This is a patent design by Keystone. Those of us in the office, we refer to this as our marriage saver.
You ruined everything!
Helps you back up the unit. Just save time, make it a lot more convenient. Two more really important things on our fifth wheels. All your Sprinters are going to have the road armor pin box. As you see right here, you got a nice little 1.5 inch rubberized section that helps reduce that vibration and the chucking as you're going down the road. The rest of this front of each unit, we have our little dirty storage area. You see our battery box for our batteries. And up on the wall, you see all the converters all the components for our solar information. And we'll go over the solar information just a little bit. Down below, you got your spare tire, easily accessible, but yet up out of the way. New for 24, we took our 30-pound LP bottles, we put one on each side. Easier accessibility, moves that weight. The weight's not as big of a deal on a unit this size, but just makes it a little simpler. Next to that, you're going to see a large pass-through storage with a deep storage box, a little saddle bag right there. You can throw tools and whatever you need to throw in. Plenty of depth. Again, as you can tell, the storage is running sidewall to sidewall. Large slam door on that storage. You look up, you got two large awnings on the side of the unit that will cover both. You have two entrances, will cover your entrances. Gives you plenty of space as well under that awning. Put your picnic table up, put some chairs up, keep you in out of the elements, the sun, the rain, whatever might be coming. As here we stand out here today on Tuesday, it's rains in the forecast, unfortunately, it looks like. If we continue down, you will notice we have the Lippert solid step. Perfect example of why these are important right now in daylight. We got some soft ground, it's been raining here. These steps are nice and stable, so you don't see it moving. They're not vibrating, so you can easily get up and gives you a more secure stance. All of our Sprinters come with Goodyear radial tires. And then as you get down further, you'll see the other part of our suspension package. You see the road armor suspension package there. It gives you 3 inches both ways, total of 6 inches of sway to help reduce the vibration going down the road for a more comfortable ride. Our back entrance, as you can see, you got the door open here, leads into a little half bath off this unit.
Very nice.
And then the last thing we have on this side, we have a nice little 1.7 cubic mini reefer. Keep your beverages nice and cold days you are outside, just enjoying the outside of the unit. You got the beverages right here, so going inside. All the Sprinters have a handy ladder, allows you to get on top of that unit. Always remember, you need to go up probably twice a year, spring and fall. Check your roof, check your seals, make sure everything's nice and clean, inspect all of it. Very important to do. Ladders here, you can do that for those that are more than willing to jump up in the roof.
I concur.
All Sprinters will come with all LED lighting, interior and exterior. Here you see the LED tail lights, and you have the LED marker lights above. Very sleek, stylish exterior design. Blends in well. As we work up towards the front of the off-door side, first you have your power hook up here, and you'll notice right below it you see your tanks labeled. Your tank controls are right here to empty your tanks.
Okay.
Next to that you see the on-demand hot water heater. We are now utilizing a Suburban 60,000 BTU instant hot water heater. Next to that you see our new, again new for 24, all-in-one convenience center. All your water hookups are right there, nice and easy in one spot, easily accessible for everybody, keeps it simple.
The rest of the pass-through on this side.
Flip side, the pass-through storage, as we saw from the other side, accessible from both sides. And then here's your other LP tank as mentioned.
Very nice.
So if you don't mind, let's go inside, we'll check this unit out, go from there.
Sounds good.
Looking for a fast setup solution for winter camping? Airskirts is the perfect way to keep cold air away from the undercarriage of your RV, keeping your rig warmer while cutting down on heating costs and helping to keep pipes from freezing. Airskirts are made from a military-grade material designed to resist punctures. It takes less than an hour to set them up, a time saver compared to traditional skirting or foam board. This is the quickest, most hassle-free option for winter camping, and you don't have to drill into your rig. The Airskirts fit snugly because they are customized to fit your rig for maximum air blockage. They also carry a variety of additional accessories to ensure a warm and cozy winter in your RV. Visit airskirts.com and use our promo code John and Mandy at checkout for a discount.
Welcome inside the 3810 Sprinter. I'll point a couple things out to you first real quick as we just come in the entrance door. Right above the entrance door, you have a very nice motion light. You can leave it always on, or you can turn it off, or you can set to the motion setting. So as soon as it captures motion with that door opening, it will illuminate. Right across from that, we did a little built-in, we have a bench at the bottom, dual coat hanger, additional cabinet space above. This is a great spot, especially those with younger kids. Put some things up there that you want to keep up out of the way. You always have a little lock on it as well. So now everybody can get into that. As we move into the kitchen, as you kind of take a look around, you're going to see a nice open, modern floor plan, modern decor colors. You're going to see your solid surface countertops. On this side, you're going to have your 21-inch range with a 30-inch microwave above it. And I've got to mention real quick, you're going to see here's one of many windows in this unit. Plenty of windows in these units. Give you a lot of natural light, and these windows are going to be large opening windows to get that breeze in. One of those things we're going to probably be doing here shortly to get some air in these units as we're down here. It's a little muggy today. We look at the rest of this kitchen. We have our island kitchen here with our solid surface. Large stainless steel sink, little pull down faucet, rotate around. Large drawer pulls. And as I mentioned, with that 4-inch wider on the wide body, the 100 inches, you get some additional depth in your cabinetry, both your countertop space and your cabinetry because of that. Next to it, you see the beautiful 16 cubic, 12 volt refrigerator. Residential size refrigerator on all these. More than ample space.
Yes, definitely.
For everything you need to keep cool. Before we get to the living area, I will point out the exceptionally large pantry. Dual door, multiple shelves, again, ton of storage space here in your kitchen.
Very nice.
In the living area of both the kitchen, we'll call it the living room here, the Sprinter 3810 will come with 3 different configurations. This offers our theater seating with our standalone dinette and chairs, as you see. Another option would be theater seating with a booth dinette that can convert to a sleeping area, or you could do a super sofa, which would remove both of these items, and a sofa would run from wall to wall in the slide out. All will pull out seats. There's 2 color options in the Sprinter. You have, this is our cedar color, you see here. Another option would be the pearl color, which is available, you can see pictures online. The pearl is going to be a little closer to our wood trim here. And the only thing that changes that, everything else remains the same except your theater seat or your sofa would be the pearl color versus the cedar color.
Gotcha.
All the seats actually have a great built-in phone charger. Throw your phone on there and it does work, and actually does work well. My phone threw it down, just randomly threw it down and it started charging, so it works very well.
Very nice. Definitely like that.
Across from our theater seats, you're going to have a 50-inch TV that does rotate. You have a Furrion soundbar, Bluetooth soundbar. Great sound out of it. Also controls the speakers outside the coach. hook up your TV, your DVD, or you can play Pandora on your phone, whatever suits you. And as you see, I don't have the heat running today as we're down here in Florida, but fireplace you can set for a little ambiance, or especially down in the warmer climates, that fireplace will take the chill off and keep the coach warm.
Definitely.
And as we're standing here in the main living area, I want to point out one quick thing real quick. And John, you scroll up, you see one. We have 3 ACs on this unit. And hopefully you guys can hear. I have this AC turned on right now. It's exceptionally quiet.
Yes, it is.
So we're just sitting here having normal conversations. We're recording. You can hear it, but it's not interfering with our conversation. So that's something very important there. So let's head up. We'll check out the master bath and the bedroom real quick. As we get up here to the master bedroom, again, all Sprinter Limited, you're going to find a king bed slide, as you see here. You have your walk-around storage, big king bed. Again, you got windows on both sides of the coach. We're going to have in all Sprinters, we're going to have a mirrored closet door. And I'll just slide in here, you get a better view of this closet. There is, plenty of storage space inside that closet.
And there is an outlet.
There is an outlet. Right next to that closet, all Sprinters will have washer dryer prep. So we have stackable washer dryer prep right here in this closet. If you choose to have the washer dryer, it can come from the factory. You can have it installed yourself. Or it's just additional storage for everything you need. Great thing to point out real quick as we're staying up here in the bedroom. We're in a bedroom of a fifth wheel. And you see, now I'm not a super tall guy, but we have plenty of head space. Goes back to, I mentioned a full profile fifth wheel. Full profile fifth wheel, we're going to have 6'5" head clearance here. So we're going to fall in that full profile at mid-profile price, but you're getting plenty of head space. So you have someone that's a little larger, a little taller, this is perfect. Makes it feel a lot bigger than what you even imagine. Additional storage here, another window. And as you see, these windows, they can open, half of it opens up.
And that is an emergency exit.
And that is emergency exit with this being a bedroom, correct. Let's head into the master bath real quick, we'll check that out. So here as you look into the master bath, you'll, first off point off on our left, we have again, additional storage. We have a 30 by 40 shower. And then with that shower, you got the nice little sliding shower door. On the back of that, you notice there's this tile surround wall.
Yeah, I really like that tile on there.
Definitely stands out, kind of brings it all together, just gives a better upgraded look, and it's just a great little feature. And same thing as I mentioned in that bedroom. We still have that 6'5" clearance here. So then you have even more as we get into the shower, and I'll do that here real quick. We have the skylight here, so you still have plenty of clearance
When you step up.
when you step up. As you're walking down the steps from both the bedroom and the bathroom, you notice all of our controls right here on the wall. So you have your hot water heater controls, your light switches. You have your in command, it's going to control all of our lighting, our climate controls. Check our tank levels. And right above that, you notice another control switch. This again, new for 2024. So we already had an enclosed underbelly, wrapped in the astrofoil to help for the installation aspects. We now have heated holding tanks on all Sprinters in 24 model year, as you can see from that right there. Now, if it's all right with everybody, we're going to go back to what I call the money maker and the showstopper of this unit. All right, everybody, now we're back in the rear bunk area of this 3810 Sprinter QBS. Brand new, just came out just a couple months ago. This is exclusive right now to Keystone, excuse me. You have 4 bunks. But more importantly with these 4 bunks, most bunks you're going to notice when you go in and look at bunk houses, they're about yay big. These are extra large bunks. They're large enough for 2 kids on per bunk. So you could throw 8 people back here. A full-size adult can fit back here. In each bunk, you're going to have a little push-button LED light. Almost more importantly, you're going to see on the side of the walls, each bunk has its own USB outlet. Especially if there's children back here. They can plug in their iPhones, their iPads, their switches, all their gaming utensils. Keep them on the go. You have underbed storage you can access on both the bottom bunks for, again, additional storage space. If you really need additional storage space, as you look, as we have, again, massive cabinets, plenty of storage space, all with the hidden hinges. You can throw a little of everything. Big countertop space. And you ask the question, where's the TV at?
Put it right up there.
You said TV right here on the counter. You have your TV hookup right above us. And as I mentioned before, in all these Sprinters you're going to find massive big windows, letting out a lot of natural light and airflow. And then John, if you can turn real quick, you'll see right above you here, to your left, you'll see another little storage spot. So you see we have our half bath there that was accessible from the outside. A lot of half baths, that ceiling runs all the way up. We closed that off and just threw a little railing up there, just additional storage. Those items you need to keep with you. If you want to have them up out of the way, you don't need them every day. You can throw them right up there. Then on the half bath, you have a little slider door. And again, perfect half bath, especially with the children. You want them to run in, use the restroom, clean up a little bit without going through the entire coach. You have that side entrance right here. Keeps the coach clean. They have their own little private side. Or is another use I've mentioned in this coach. This coach can be a perfect unit for someone that has, lake property. They do hunting trips, fishing trips. They go park it out. You got a group, 4 or 5 guys. You've been out all day. You need a place to lay your head at night after a long day. Again, you have your restroom right there. You got places that can sleep 4 adults. Perfect unit for that as well. It doesn't have to be just for large families. One last thing to mention real quick here, as we're talking Keystone, and especially the Keystone Sprinters. We saw outside we had our battery storage, we had our solar equipment I mentioned. All Keystone Sprinters are going to come with our Solar Protect 220 package. What that means, you're going to have a 220 watt panel on the ceiling, on the roof, excuse me. You have a 30 amp charge controller. It's going to come with 7 prep 12 volt outlets. Every Sprinter comes that way. Easily can be plug and play. You can add on to that. You as the consumer, the dealer can add on to as well. The next step up is a 440 Discovery package. You're going to have 2 panels and a 2000 watt inverter. Enough to keep you out, lights on, power, AC's running. Just a little FYI on that. Lastly, as we kind of do a little final walk around here, I want to thank everybody. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope you learned a little something. Hopefully you're interested in the 3810 QBS from Sprinter. Great way to look up more features, details, all the specs. Go to KeystoneRV.com. You go under fifth wheels. Go under the premium fifth wheels, you'll see Sprinter Limited. Go under Limited, you'll find the 3810 floor plan. All your information will be there. Thanks again. Hope to see you soon.
Hi, Chuckles the Squirrel here. Thanks everyone for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, hit that subscribe button. Take care everyone.